Evening, everyone. Nice to see everyone here. In memory of Rob. Rob Howard is gone. We can shed tears that Rob is gone, or we can smile because he lived. We can close our eyes and pray that he will come back, or we can open our eyes and see all that he has left us. Our hearts can be empty because we can't see him, or we can be full of love, that love that we share. We can turn our backs on tomorrow and live yesterday, or we can be happy for tomorrow because of yesterday. We can remember Rob and only that he is gone, or we can cherish his memory and let it live on. We can cry and close our minds, or be empty and turn our backs, or we can do what Rob would want.
We can smile, we can open our eyes, we can love, and we can go on. So there was 2 visitations and a service for Rob this week, and we heard from a lot of his family and co-workers a lot of wonderful stories about Rob, and feel that we've reconnected with someone that we were really involved with many years ago, and we remain in touch with his life through the updates, mainly from his mom, about all the wonderful things Rob had achieved for himself in his life. And we talked about what would be the right tribute for Rob tonight. And I know typically there's a moment of silence, but speaking to Rob's family, that is not what Rob is about, and not what he would want. So at his actual funeral service, everyone walked out to the theme of Hockey Night in Canada, which was pretty good. But the thing with Rob, he had very, very specific tastes in his hockey team. Ottawa Senators. So we would like to ask, and we're going to be recording this, it's going to be added to his memorial, his online memorial. You can all please rise. What we're asking for is not a moment of silence, but a moment of noise. We want to make 30 seconds of noise for Rob to the theme of his absolute favorite sports team of all time. Let me see if I can get this to work. Clapping's good. Like to get the rhythm going, and let's hear it nice and loud for Rob for 30 seconds. Love it, and his friends, and we thank you very much.